A cistern has two pipes. One can fill it in with 8 hours and the other empty it in 5 hours. In how many hours will the cistern be emptied? Both the pipes are open together when 3/4 of the cistern is already full of water. So 3/4 is filled. Okay, first one. As we don't know the total capacity, assume the total capacity as LCM of given numbers 8 and 5, which is 40. The first one is taking how much time? 8 hours. The second one is taking 5 hours. In 8 hours it can fill the tank of capacity 40 units. So per hour 40/8, it means 5 units per hour. It can fill at the rate of 5 units per hour. It is emptying in 5 hours, so it can empty at the rate of 40/5, which is 8 units per hour. It is emptying, filling at the rate 5 and emptying at the rate 8. So the net filling rate is 5 minus 8, which is equals to 3 units per hour emptying. Okay, now what he said, only 3/4 of the cistern is filled. 3/4 means 30, because 3/4 of 40, which is nothing but 30. So 30 units is already there. So it is emptying at the rate of 3 units per hour. So time taken will be 30/3, because per every hour it is removing 3 units. So to remove 30 units it will take 10 hours. How are you getting then? 30/3. So in 10 hours the pipe can be emptied. So option 2 is an answer. Now pipe A can fill a tank in 10 hours. Pipe B can empty a tank in 15 hours. If both the pipes open simultaneously, then the tank is filled in how many hours? Simple. Now A can fill a tank in how many hours? 10 hours. And B is, note down, here B is an emptying tank. It can empty the tank in 15 hours. One is filling, the other one is emptying. If filling pipe alone works, it takes 10 hours. Whereas the other tank is emptying in 15 hours. So the other one is emptying. It means the tank will be filled in how many hours? Definitely more than 10 hours. Is it clear? So I can eliminate option 1, option 2, option 3. So option 4 is an answer. There is only one option which is more than 10 hours. So this is how you have to do in the exam. Now 3/4 of a tank is full of water. When 30 liters of the water is taken out, the tank becomes empty. The capacity of the tank is simple. 3/4 is filled. Let us say this is 3/4. When I remove 30 liters out of it, the tank has become empty. It means 3/4 of capacity of tank is nothing but 30 liters, because after removing 30 liters it has become empty, right? Now, so capacity of the tank is equivalent to 40. 3 ones, 3 tens, 4 tens are 40. Option 3 is an answer. 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a tank in 6 hours, 9 hours and 12 hours respectively. B and C opened for half an hour and then A is also opened. The time taken by the 3 pipes together to fill the remaining part of the tank is, you have to be careful about remaining part of the tank. Now what is the capacity of the tank? Let the capacity of the tank is equivalent to LCM of 6, 9 and 12. What is LCM of 6, 9 and 12? 36. Assume that the capacity of the tank be 36 liters. Pipe A is taking how many hours to fill the tank? 6 hours. So per hour it will fill 36/6. It means 6 liters per hour. Now pipe B is taking how many hours? In 9 hours it is filling 36 liters. So per hour it means 36/9. So 4 liters per hour. Coming to C is taking how much time? 12 hours. So per hour it will fill 36/12 at the rate of 36/12, which is nothing but 3 liters per hour. Now what is given question? The tank capacity is 36 liters. B and C are opened for half an hour. It means these two pipes are opened for half an hour first. If they work together, they can fill how many liters per hour? 7 liters per hour. It means in 1 hour 7 liters. In half an hour 3.5 liters. So after 30 minutes the tank is 3.5 liters filled. Still, what is the required quantity to be filled? The remaining part is nothing but remaining part equals to 36 minus 3.5, that equals to 32.5 liters. Now this is the amount you have to be filled. Okay. Now what is the total rate if all three pipes work together? A at 6, B 4 and C 3. Total if all three pipes opened, the time taken will be capacity to be filled divided by rate. What is the rate? They are filling at the rate of 13 units per hour, because 6 plus 4 plus 3, which is 13. Okay. On simplification, you will get 2.5 hours. So that is nothing but option 3. A tank can be filled by a tap in 20 minutes and by another tap in 60 minutes. Both the taps kept open for 10 minutes and then first tap is shut off. After this, the tank will be completely filled in. Now, I have to find how much time it will take to fill the tank. Okay. Simple. Assume the tank capacity be 60. Okay. First pipe is taking 20 minutes. So per minute, first pipe is filling at the rate of 3 units per minute. Second pipe is filling at the rate of 1 unit per minute, because it taking 60 minutes to fill 60 units. Both the pipes are operated for how much time? 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, how many units will be filled? 10 into 4, because together they fill at the rate of 3 plus 1, so 4 units per minute. So 40 units is filled. After 10 minutes, already 40 is filled. Still how much is left over? 20. But what happened here? After 10 minutes, then the first tap is shut off. So we are not using the first tap. So it has to be filled only by the second tap. It is filling at the rate of 1 unit per minute. So to fill these 20 units, it will take how much time? 20 minutes. So per minute is filling 1 unit. To fill 20 units, it will take 20 minutes. So the answer is option 1. Now, a pipe can fill a tank with water in 3 hours. Due to leakage in bottom, it takes 3.5 hours to fill it. In what time the leak will be empty the filled tank? See here 3 and 3.5. It is nothing but 7/2. Let us assume the tank capacity be LCM of 3 and 7/2, which is nothing but 21. Let the capacity of the tank be equals to 21 units. The filling pipe is taking 3 hours. It means it is filling at the rate of 7 units per hour. Due to leakage, it is taking how much time total? 3.5 hours. Okay, 3.5 hours. Now, a simple logic, how you can solve this? Okay, it means whatever it is filling in half an hour, that is what the emptying tank is emptied in 3.5 hours. Is it clear? Or else we can do another way. First pipe is filling at the rate of 7 units per hour. The second pipe, we don't know the rate, but it is an emptying. But what is the total time taken? 3.5 hours. It means they are filling at the rate of 21 by 3.5, which is equals to 6 units per hour. The net filling rate is 6 units per hour. Then the emptying pipe emptying at the rate of 7 minus something is 6. What is that something? Will be 1. So the emptying pipe is emptying at the rate of 1 unit per minute. If the emptying pipe operated continuously, okay, now the capacity of the tank is 21. If only emptying pipe operates, it emptied the rate of 1 unit per minute. To empty 21 liters, it will take 21 hours. So it is 1 unit per hour. Okay, 1 unit per hour. To empty these 21 units, it will take 21 hours.